Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the HFHOME Compact beverage shelf for 3 beverage crates. It's a metal beverage box shelf with 4 hooks for the kitchen, for the basement, for the garage, for a stable box shelf for beer, fruit, vegetables, water load capacity up to 150 kilograms per shift. On the market, it is available with 3 boxes in a width of 49 centimeters, with 4 boxes and 6 boxes version. It's a robust and durable construction. The beverage crate shelf in black is made of 2 centimeter thick steel tube and support up to 150 kilograms per level. It is for heavy beer or water crates. The beer case stands 3 levels, is stable, and does not wobble. And we have a special coating because the surface of the beverage crate holder is provided with a black scratch-resistant powder coating with structure. It permanently protects against rust and moisture, though the cabinet for the beverage crates, even in the basement or laundry room, remains visually and functionally like new. And we have diverse applications. The wide dimensions of 114 to 49 to 32 centimeter. The beverage box stands makes an optimal use of the space, either for kitchen, for the basement, or the laundry room. The bottle box stand offers not only space for the beverage crates, but also for fruit, bread, supplies, and clothings and boxes for all kinds. And we have nice feds and a tilt protection. Thanks to the height, we can protect it against dropping by the wall protection, which is included. Yeah, it can be easily anchored on uneven floors, and additional safety is provided by an included anti-tilt set that firmly connects the stand for the beverage crates to the wall for a maximum stability. And we have a quick assembly. The beverage crate shelves of metal can be assembled in a few minutes without drilling or special tools. We only need a screwdriver for that, but this is included, of course. In the scope, it comes to us in a small package, and it makes a good job. I think 10 minutes and it is installed. Let's have a look to my assembly video, because there we are going to get a good installation process, step by step. It's space-saving and practical in everyday life. It's versatile storage for every need. It's suited for different scenarios, and it is stable and well thatched out for our storage, of course. We have a high-quality powder coating. We have a tilt protection fittings, a robust 2 centimeter steel tubes. Extra thick tubes provides it high stability and load bearing capacity, and with the wall mounting the shelf stands secure and does not tip over. And high quality powder coating makes the professional coating, gives the shelf a noble look, and reliable protects against the water and rust. And of course, it is for the beverage crates, fruit and vegetable baskets, perfect for storing the snacks, supplies or tools. This offers space for wine and storage boxes for all kinds. Also suitable for books, decoration and everyday objects. This all and more brings us this HFHOME Compact beverage shelf for 3 beverage crates. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.